Oh no. Right there. Chloe, look. I can't let you go until you do this. Okay? We gotta show that you can do this.
What does a dog say?
Woo, woo, good
What
girl.
does a cow say? What does a sheep say? What does a frog say? What does a horse say? Good job. What does a lion say? Good job.
Yay. Now, where's your eyes? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair?
Where's your hair?
Where's your hair? Good girl. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Last one. Where's your nose?
Where's your nose?
Where's your
Okay.
but where's your nose? Where's your nose? Oh, good girl. I love you. Give mommy a kiss.
What about your hand?
Give mommy a kiss.
Where's your hand?
Go play. Good girl.